If you're considering Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you might be asking, will this ruin my credit? It's a valid concern, and while bankruptcy is a serious step, it's not always the only option. In fact, refinancing could help you avoid it altogether. Take Mike, for example. He had $185,000 in credit card debt from a failed business and was about to file for Chapter 13, but he had $275,000 in home equity, and we helped him use it to pay off his debt through an FHA cash-out refinance. His monthly payments dropped by $5,000, his stress disappeared, and within a year, his credit score jumped back into the high 700s. We then refinanced him again into a much lower rate. Chapter 13 is a repayment plan that lasts 3 to 5 years, while Chapter 7 wipes out debt completely. Both impact your credit, but lenders view Chapter 13 more favorably since it shows an effort to repay. If you have significant home equity, around 35% or more, you may be able to refinance instead of filing for bankruptcy, even with poor credit. Most people don't lose their homes in Chapter 13, as long as they're keeping up with mortgage payments. However, if your bankruptcy case gets dismissed, you'll need to reassess quickly. Debt negotiation, consolidation, or credit rebuilding strategies can help you regain control. Reach out to JVM Lending today to speak with a mortgage expert, and we'll help you find the best financial path forward.